Hello and welcome, beautiful souls. This is StretchMate UK, your space for mindful movement and meaningful transformation. Unrolls mat with intention and grace. Let's begin by gently waking the body. Reach up, stretch high, and slowly release. Light side stretches, shoulder rolls for a few seconds. Feel that breath flow in, calm, steady, alive. Now, let's enter Ardha Matsyendrasana, the half spinal twist. Bend your right knee, place the foot over the left leg, left elbow outside the right knee, and slowly twist. Feel the spine lengthen with every breath in, and the twist deepen with every breath out. This posture is more than a stretch, it's a release. It detoxifies your inner organs, strengthens your spine, and revives your energy from within. Life can feel twisted sometimes. But just like this posture, when you pause, breathe, and align, you'll find your center again. In stillness, there's power. In simplicity, there's strength. And in every twist, lies the opportunity to unwind your potential. Let's twist to the other side now, keeping that same calm, that same control. Every day is a chance to stretch, not just your body, but your mind and your spirit. Thank you for sharing your mat with me today. Don't forget to follow our social links in the description for more guided sessions and daily motivation. Like, share, and subscribe to StretchMate UK. And keep growing with every breath.